Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Breyer, and today we are making chia pudding. This is a really tasty, healthy pudding, and I have to admit, the first time I tried it, I was skeptical, and then I was like, oh, what's this texture and flavor? And I tried it, and I got addicted to it. I was eating it every day for a while, and I was trying all these different toppings, and it's one of my favorite recipes. Very easy to make too. The ingredients in this recipe are chia seeds, water, walnuts, raisins, vanilla extract, and dairy-free milk. Like I like almond milk, but you could use what you like. So the first thing that we need to do is we're going to add our chia seeds and water to a bowl. So we have 1/2 cup of chia seeds, 2 cups of water, so you want to make sure that the seeds are covered completely. We're going to go ahead and cover this, put it in the refrigerator, and soak it overnight. Tomorrow we will add our toppings, and there are also like lots of options. So I'm going to put this in the fridge, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so our chia pudding has been chilling for quite a while, and you can see it's very firm and thick. And we're going to go ahead and add the rest of our ingredients now. Commonly, people add raisins and walnuts, vanilla, and a non-dairy milk. I have 1 cup of raisins. These are golden raisins. You can use whatever you like. You can also use other dried fruits. I have 1 cup of chopped walnuts. You could use different kind of nuts. I'm going to stir this together. If you would like, I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and you could also try other extracts. I've tried orange and then put some cocoa powder in the chia pudding. That was really, really good. Okay, so we're going to stir all the ingredients together. Then we're going to add some, I have almond milk. I'm going to add that to make it more creamy. I'm actually going to grab a larger bowl so I can add the almond milk. Okay, I'm going to just switch this over to a larger bowl. You could actually serve it like this, and people could add their almond milk as they would like it. About 3 cups of nut milk, almond milk, soy milk, rice milk. So here's 2, and you can adjust this to how you like it. I might just add 2 now, and then add more later if I want it. So this is plenty of milk for me. I probably wouldn't even put this much, so it's up to you. I'm going to go ahead and try it. So you could also add other ingredients. I have some raisins. You could add cinnamon, nutmeg, coconut, orange or lemon zest. I've done orange zest, and like I said, cocoa powder, actually cacao powder. Fresh fruit, dried fruit, chopped dates, and I have some raspberry grape jam I made in another lesson, and this has no sugar, but it's nicely sweetened with fruit juice. So you could add that on to add a touch of sweetness. You could put honey, maple syrup, a dash of salt, even agave. I'm sure you can think of a lot of other things you would like to add on your chia pudding. So I am ready to try it. So good. It's a really fun texture. Kids will like it. Try it. Let me know what flavors you put in. And actually, I'm going to try this one too. This has raisins. Gotta try one more bite. So good. The texture is so fun. And also the crunchy walnuts. You're going to love it. See you in the next lesson.